What's up, World of Kings? It's the Ramen family and the random guy right there. Well, level 69 guy. It's light skin with some of the rest of the family over here. And today we got a video for you. Today we're going to talk about charms and emblems. Boom, boom, boom. I know in my main video I kind of tagged these a little bit of what to do with them, especially with the fusion thing, function. But there's another thing about them that most people do not know about. For people in my guild, we call it like phase 4. When you start looking for your best in slot charms and emblems, what makes a charm and emblem best in slot is when they have a skill that you need. If we take a look, we're gonna take a look at one of my Mr. Coaches today. Let's go ahead and go over here to achievements. Let's go to rank and look at this beautiful guy named Sweetwater. He got that juice. We're going to take a look at him and view info. Now, as we look at his charms and emblems, we see a lot of purple and pink. But that's not the amazing part about it. The amazing part is the skill that he has right under it, which is right over here. If y'all read this carefully, it basically says for the skill Ignite, he gets +1 on it. He has the same one on his other charm too. Just like I explained in my first video with the Reforges, charms can also give you a +1 for your talent tree too. Now let's see what his main skill is on the thing, on his talents. It's on the Combat Master like the thing said. Oh my gosh. Ignite, he's rolled into a knight and now he got 5 points in the knight. This is crazy guys, because remember originally in the other video, I always told you to go to 3. Now you can go in 5, and that's 5 points into that last talent tree, which is fucking amazing. Now, how do you do this? It's called buying your heavily epic charms and emblems every single time you see until you get that final skill that you want. Some people want opportunity strike, some people want ignite, some people want other shit. Doesn't matter. You want to get the one that you need that you rolled in on your talent tree and unlock it. As you see, mine is not unlocked yet. You ask how do we unlock it? By using the fusion technique. Let's go back to the fusion page real quick. Let's back out. They're boring over there. They're not even jumping. Hey guys, jump a little bit. Have some fun. There goes my deputy jumping off the boat. All right, let's go to the fusion. Remember how I told y'all? You go over here, you click a skill, and you click that. I'm not going to do it right now, but basically what you want to do, as you level the skills on your charms and emblems up, once like they're all purple and you got one pink, or the higher they are, the closer they get to unlocking it. It says you need at least 240 of stats to unlock it. So as I start replacing these lower ones and getting them purple and making them look real nice, I can unlock that skill. Guys, I think that's everything. Oh, someone's losing to duel. I think my deputy sucks. Hold up, let's check. But alright guys, this is another video brought to you by Lightskin 47, Night Toker, Lobo, Reels, and ABC. Y'all have a good day and good night. We out.